Hey! As you guys can probably tell, I am somewhat of the disappointment of the family, and therefore I have a lot of tattoos. That's just how it works. I don't make the rules. And recently I've been adding to my tattoo collection, and I thought, why not show you guys what I got? Because I haven't done like a tattoo tour video in a very long time. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you what I got permanently doodled on my skin. Oh. Come here. Come on, Saja. Oh, look at the little doggy. Look at the little doggy. Hello?
Denied.
So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys every single tattoo that I own. And we're gonna start from like the one that I got first to the one I got like last. Even though I don't really remember like I don't really remember the specific order, but it's really fine. When it comes to my tattoos, I feel like recently, like fine line tattoos or like small tattoos are very, very popular. Like every girl basically has like fine line tattoos. I mean guys too, but especially girls. As you can probably tell, I'm not really a fine line girly. Even though I do love the look of it, it's just not meant for me. I'm more of like a thick black lines and like blackout tattoos. More my vibe, as you can probably tell. Also like bigger tattoos. So yeah, that's just kind of my vibe. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this. I mean, it's pretty obvious. So let's go on to my first tattoo. I got it when I was 20. Oh my god, are you gonna sit down? That's so cute. Wait, let me change the camera because it's gonna be like way cuter if you can actually see them chilling. That's adorable. Did you hear that? Bookie just farted. So the first tattoo that I got is actually the one on my stomach, on my sternum. It's a mandala. It was a very, very, very painful tattoo. I did not like it at all. I cannot believe that I got my sternum tattooed as my first tattoo. But honestly, kind of a vibe because every other tattoo that I got is not painful anymore. Just because I got like probably the worst one out of the way on like the first time. I love it now, but I actually like regretted it for like years. It's not that I don't like the tattoo. It was just like, it's such a big tattoo on such like I only have one sternum. I just kind of was like, I kind of want to get like a different tattoo there, so I regretted filling the space up so quickly. But lately I'm actually starting to like it again, so lucky me. Then I continued on my autumns. I honestly don't even know the exact order and what I got them in, but I'm pretty sure I got like the moth first. I don't know, it's just a moth. It's cute. Nothing much to say about that. Then I got the snakey on my underarm, which is so cool. This is gonna make me sound so dumb, but I got it before snakes got popular. I got it before snakes were popular. I'm cool like that. And I kind of like start to regret this one too, because suddenly out of nowhere everybody had a snake tattoo and I just wanted to be original. But now again, I actually really love it. I love how big it is. I love how black it is. And I love the placement. And then I have a tattoo on the back of my arm. This one is also dumb. I'm sorry. It's just dumb tattoo. I think it's kind of funny now, but it's actually an Arctic Monkeys tattoo, even though you cannot tell that it's an Arctic Monkeys tattoo at all. But it's like based on my favorite song of them, 505. They have this one lyric where they say, I probably still adore you with your hands around my neck. And I just absolutely love the lyric. I don't know. That just does something to me, so I wanted to get it tattooed. But back then I didn't like text tattoos, so I wanted to have it like visualized. So basically these are like two hands. These are two hands that are supposed to be holding a neck. Yeah, and nobody is really able to tell that that is what it is supposed to be. So I was actually thinking of tattooing like a hamburger in the hands. So it's like hands holding a hamburger. I thought it would be like a Krabby Patty from SpongeBob. I thought it would be like so funny. So I might do that in the future. Let me put Bookie in frame because she's too adorable to not be in frame. Look at the little girlie. Look at her. Oh, you're pretty girl. Is you pretty girl? Are you pretty girly? So then onto these two tattoos. These are two little reddies, and those are actually my reds. This was Phil, and this is Shelby, and they were like the cutest little thing ever. I fucking love them so much. They were so adorable. Unfortunately, they passed away a while ago already, but yeah, I'm very happy that I got them tattooed in my body, because also they actually look like them a lot. Like they really, every time I look at my tattoo, I just see my reds, which is very nice. So I got this little bad boy on my inner arm. These two are done by the same artist as well, by Trobbies, also in The Hague. And this was like his signature style tattoo. He did a lot of these like faces with like the blend in the middle. And yeah, I just absolutely love that style, and I got a tattoo. Pain wise, all these tattoos, 1 out of 5. I got Pablo tattooed on my arm over here. Can you see? Does it look like him? Little Pablo. So cute. I got this tattoo by an Australian tattoo artist. I followed him for a while, and I thought it was really good. I really liked his art style and everything. But honestly, he really fucked this tattoo up. It's such a bad tattoo. It is like, he just tattooed it like way too deep into my skin. So not only is it like covered in blowouts, it also is like scarring. Like it's still raised at some points. I mean, luckily it's like a tattoo with meaning that makes me like not regret it as much, but also I don't regret it. But it's just, I'm just kind of mad at him for like fucking the tattoo up. And again, pain wise, 1 out of 5. It's fine, totally fine. Then I got 2 cute tattoos on my upper arm. These are probably my favorite tattoos that I have. Like a devil and a skeleton sitting at a table looking at their phones, which I think is just so adorable. I love it so much. It looks so fun. This is done by Helen Popnikova. She's from Ukraine. And she has like an amazing style, and she just got to the Netherlands, and I was like, I need to get a tattoo from her, because like I just love her work. So very excited I got this. This one is done by another Ukraine artist. His name is DSMT on Instagram. His actual name is Dennis, I think. And the funny thing, I mean, at least to me, is that Helen and Dennis, they're actually married. They're like a couple. So I told him like, I want your tattoo next to your wife's tattoo, because I thought she's gonna be cute. I don't know, I thought it was cute. Then I got the one on my knee, which is just like a broken fence. I know it's not a very original tattoo, because a bunch of people have this now, but I still really like it. Also, the funny thing about this tattoo is that so many people think I tattooed fishnet stockings on my knee, but it's not. It's a fence. And I got a little spider, I mean a big spider on my shin. I like it. Again, very dark, very black. Yeah, not much to say about it. Pain wise, strangely enough, I mean, maybe not gonna believe this, but I swear to God, almost did not feel a thing. I thought it was gonna be such a painful spot, like right on the bone. It might even be like one of my least painful tattoos that I have. Like I was just like straight up chilling there. It was not painful at all. Also, people with arachnophobia, they are actually scared of that tattoo. It happened to me multiple times that people look at my leg and then scream and try to run away. Which honestly makes this tattoo even more fun. Just screaming people around me. Hey, Pee-Pee. Oh, look at him laying down. He's so cute. He's so cute. Hey, don't bite me. I'm sorry. I will stop touching you. Then one of my other favorite tattoos is this little stick figure on my leg. I got it done at like, it was probably like 6 in the morning or something. Or like at a party. And a friend of mine wanted to be a tattoo artist. So I was like, yeah, you can practice on me if you want. You know, whatever, I don't care. And I really want to get a stick figure. And the funny thing is, like, it looks ridiculous, but I spent probably like half an hour drawing out designs, because it had to be like the perfect stick figure. And this is the end result of my half-hour drawing session. These are all the tattoos that I got like before COVID, and I actually didn't get any tattoos, any new ones, for like probably 3 years or so. For some reason, because I just didn't know what I wanted to get. And I was like, I don't know, I just didn't get any new tattoos. But I definitely wanted to get more tattoos. And then all of a sudden, something in my mind clicked. Like a couple of months ago, and I was like, boy, I need to start with my tattoos again. Because I want to be like completely filled at some point in my life. So I better start making it happen. So I found a really cool artist on Instagram. Her name is Alazia. I'll link everything down below. And she does like these tribal inspired designs, and I just thought they looked so cool. So yeah, I went to her and I got these two bad boys on my arm. I love these so much. I love them so much, but I also regret them. Because for some reason, I always regret my tattoos. I don't know what it is. Probably because I like to change my appearance all the fucking time. But I kind of regret the placement of them. I think I'd rather have them just like go straight over my shoulder instead of like curved like this. But also this is literally the way that I asked her to do the tattoos. But literally the day when I got them, I was like, fuck, I kind of wish they were different. Which is so dumb. That literally always happens to me. I still love them though, and I think I might just like add, because this is still like open space, I can just add something else there. I can still make it work. But I do actually really love them. I think they look so beautiful, and I kind of want to get more of her. Pain wise, like 1 or 2 out of 5. It wasn't painful though. Even like on the collarbone, you would expect this to be very painful. It honestly wasn't that painful. The only parts that were very painful were like these tiny little things like close to my underarms. So pain wise, those were probably like 4 out of 5. Then I got this little clown and devil. I got it done by Matthijs. When I got there, I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to get. He has like a lot of flesh, and I just love his flesh. I was like, I'm gonna go there and just pick something while I'm there. And then so I'm kind of sad. I mean, I love this one for sure. I'm very happy that I got this. But he had so much cute flesh, like so many cool designs that I wanted to have, but they were all taken, and he only does them once. But I still love it. It's very black, very thick lines, very cool guy too. He was very nice, actually. Probably like one of my favorite tattoo artists I've been to. It was a very nice guy. Then I got my hands tattoo. Oh my god, this one. Crazy. This one is actually done by the same guy who did the spider, and like his signature tattoo is like the little shape that I have, like sun, and on the spider it actually also has a little sun. I fucking love it. I love it so much. I love the placement. I just love it. I just love the fact that it's like, I don't know, I just love the placement. It looks so cool from the side too. Very trippy. The only thing with this tattoo is that it it was so painful. It literally was so painful. But only the part of my palm. Everything else, again, completely fine. Completely fine. The part on my palm, this, and like on the side over here, excruciating pain. So bad. It was so bad. And then I got some stick and poke tattoos on my legs, because a friend of mine is actually like trying to learn how to do stick and poke tattoos, so I let her practice on me. The first one that I got are these little stars under my leg. This was the first tattoo she ever did on another person. And she was so nervous, and it was so cute. And yeah, they look kind of janky, but I swear to God, I just love them. I don't know, I just love it. I feel honored that I was the first victim of her tattoo adventure. And then recently, she did a little heart on my ankle, which I'm honestly so obsessed with. I literally got it like last week, so it's still healing. But yeah, I love that one. It's so cute. And then I also obviously had to try stick and poke out myself, so I gave myself this fucking squiggly thing on my leg, which is so funny because I didn't even realize it. Okay, I was just like messing around, and then I realized that it's like the same as my hand tattoo. It's the same fucking shape as I didn't even realize it when I made it. I don't like it though, I'm gonna be honest. I'm probably just gonna get it like covered up one day, because it's just, I don't know. I'm just more into like bigger tattoos, and I feel like the placement is kind of stupid. It was fun to do though. It was fun to practice stick and poke. And then we got to my last tattoo, which is the one on my elbow. Yeah, you may have already seen it if you follow me on like TikTok or Instagram. Yeah, it's very fun. I got this tattoo from a guy I went on a Tinder date with. Which was so funny. Like, we were talking on Tinder, and he's like a tattoo artist, so he told me, he was like, well, if you give me a tattoo, I'm gonna give you a tattoo. And I was like, okay. I mean, I'm not gonna say no to a tattoo. So, and this one is also still healing, so it looks pretty crusty right now, but it's such a nice tattoo. I'm so happy with it, because like at the beginning I was kind of scared because I didn't know him, you know. I was like, is he gonna be a good tattoo artist? He might be like really bad at his job. I don't know. I didn't know anything about him, but he's very good at his job, and the tattoo looks beautiful. So yeah, I feel like those are all my tattoos. Honestly, you know what's kind of crazy? The more tattoos I get, the less I feel like I'm covered in tattoos. I'm not really sure what my next tattoo is gonna be. I do know that I want to save up for like a back piece, because I want my whole back to be covered, but I have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna get, so I still have to like figure that out. And other than that, I just want to, yeah, I just want to get more stuff. I need to focus more on like the back of my body, because if you look at me from the front, I look like I have a bunch of tattoos, but if you look at me from the back, you can only see like one tattoo, because all the tattoos I have are like visible to me. So yeah, this was today's video about all my tattoos. Very fun that Pablo came to join us, and Bookie too. Bookie, come here. There's Bookie, come here. Look at her. Isn't she the most beautiful doggy in the world? So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao.